Remember these tips to ensure your frame assembly goes smoothly. Orient the frames right side up prior to installation. Make sure that each panel is matched to the appropriate frame. Do not remove any labels until after all shutters are installed. Lay your frames out according to the labels. Track system shutters tend to be larger, so make sure there is enough room to build and maneuver the assembled frame into position. Remove the track. Leave the track off so that there is access to the installation holes. You will need to use these holes to secure the frame to the window opening. Spacer blocks should be in place. If not, use the included spacers behind the track to support the track as it straddles the recessed channel. These can be glued into place. This can be done prior to frame installation. Using the provided 3-inch screws, attach the side frames by screwing through the pre-drilled top frame into the designated screw port of the side frame. Make sure there's a spacer block between the top and side frames. Tighten until flush. Do not over-tighten. Installation holes should be drilled at the factory. If this has to be done on site, drill a 3/8-inch installation hole through the first layer of the top frame's light block every 24 to 30 inches. Place the assembled frame around the opening. Center the frame around the opening and insert a screw in both the far, left, and right top frame installation holes. Determine if the frame is level. If the frame is not level, start at the higher end and secure the installation screw. Level the frame and secure the screw at the opposite end of the frame. Once the frame is secure on the left and right sides, insert the remaining installation screws across the top frame, checking for level. Using a level, adjust and plumb the side frames. Then set all remaining installation screws. Complete the frame installation by capping all installation holes using the supplied button plugs. On extremely wide applications, the provided installation brackets are used in the center to provide added support. Frame support brackets should be mounted to the top of the frame by using number 8 by 1-inch screws. The bracket or brackets should be centered or evenly spaced no more than 24 inches apart on the top frame. The brackets should be secured to the wall studs or to the door header above the opening. Number 8 by 1-inch screws or longer should be used to attach the bracket to the wall. Set the screws so that they pass through the holes of the bracket and into the indicator lines that run the width of the frame. Insert the proper number of wheeled carriers into the track and secure the track to the frame in line with the indicator line at the center of the recessed channel. Apply screws through the pre-drilled holes in the track to the indicator line on the underside of the top frame, using number 8 by 1-inch screws. Light block between panels for bypass system is optional. Standard bypass, or closed, and triple bypass utilize a 3/4 by 3/4 mounting strip. It is mounted on the back of the interior edge of each front panel. Screw the mounting strip to the panel and cap the holes with button plugs. Note: mounting strips are 1 inch shorter than the panels so that there is no interference with the floor guides. Once your frame is secure and the carriers have been inserted into the track, you can begin to hang your panels. Begin by inserting the bottom pin of the wheel carrier into the top door bracket. Lock the panels in place by rotating the plastic slide around the neck of each adjustable nut. To plumb the panels, loosen or tighten the set nut on the top pivot bracket. When two panels are to be attached or coupled, lay the panels side by side on the floor. Remove the bottom interior jam caps. Insert the panel joiner or coupler by sliding it into the two interior jams. Place the jam caps back onto the interior jams. The two panels must be lifted into place together, using caution when positioning. Install floor guides in between each set of moving panels. The guides prevent the doors from swinging forward into the room or back into the opening. 2 sizes are available depending on the type of bypass. Attach valance brackets to the front of the frame using the included number 8 by 1 inch screws. The installation holes should be pre-drilled. If they are not, drill them no closer than 6 inches from the frame edge every 18 inches. Once all brackets are secure, position the channel on the back of the valance so that it rests on the bracket. The valance will need to be on a 45-degree angle, with the bottom of the valance farther into the room. Rotate the valance down to the vertical orientation until locked into all brackets. Attach your valance returns using the supplied corner keys and glue where applicable. Remove all labels.